Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Happy New Year. We left off in the Crush Your Goals series talking about planning. Now I want to talk about structure and habits. What does that mean? So we talked about the get shit done planning phase. In that, creating structure and creating habits for yourself will allow you to get more things done, for you to be efficient and productive with your time. It also makes sure that you stick to your goals, no matter what they are, whether it's something personally, professionally, fitness-wise, whatever it might be. How do you create structure and habits? That's the schedule blocking tool. I'll put the link up, it's in my bio. That's creating time throughout the day where you're focused on specific activities and you're grouping like periods of time together. So if you have 3 hours of meetings, it's much more efficient to put those 3 hours back to back rather than having one in the morning, maybe half an hour in the afternoon, then another 3.5, 2.5 in the evening. So it's grouping like things together. Same thing goes for email. Maybe just compressing all of your email time into 2 hours so that you can address it all at once, knock it out right away. And then most important is allowing yourself time for deep work. So all those tasks and activities, your highest priority tasks, those 1, 2, 3 tasks that are most important. So again, structure and habits allow you the time to go execute, which is going to be our next topic. I hope that makes sense. Let me know what questions you have. Like I said, I'll post some links, the example of schedule blocking, and I hope you're having a great day.